In this video, I'll show you how to download and use an auto clicker extension in Google Chrome. First, open your web browser and search for IO Auto Clicker for Chrome. From the search results, open the Chrome Web Store page for the extension. Once the page opens, click the Add to Chrome button. When prompted, click Add Extension to install it. Wait for the installation to complete. After the extension has been added to Chrome, it will be available for use on websites within your Chrome browser. To test the auto clicker, open a click speed test website or any web page where you want to automate clicks. Before using the extension, make sure its keyboard shortcuts are enabled. By default, you can press Ctrl plus comma to start the auto clicker. To stop the auto clicker, press the assigned stop shortcut in the extension settings. Once activated, the extension will automatically generate clicks on the web page. You can adjust the clicking speed and other settings through the extension options if needed. That's it. This is how you can download, install, and use an auto clicker extension in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.